Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to bake some mini apple pies. This is a very quick and easy recipe and there is no rolling pin needed to flatten your dough. We will make a batter, put our apples on top and finish them with some butter crumbs. Before we start with our batter we have to prepare the apples and crumbs. Cut the apples, add your cinnamon and sugar and mix well. The apples are done, let's move on to the crumbs. Now add your flour, sugar, salt and melted butter into a bowl and keep mixing until you get crumbs. Now we are ready to start with our batter. Put your melted butter and sugars into a bowl and mix until all of the sugar has dissolved. When all of the sugar has dissolved, you can add your eggs and vanilla flavor. And mix again. Your mixture is now ready to add the other dry ingredients. It's important to use a sieve for this. Now take your spatula again and keep mixing until there is no more flour visible. I'm using my muffin tray today. It's perfect for this recipe and you will get beautiful little apple pies. Now take your apples and spread them on top of your batter. And as finishing touch, your butter crumbs. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think about my recipe and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.